We're excited about having students and employers back on campus again. Today we were hosting the Smart Manufacturing Career Fair, and what's good about that, our students get an opportunity to meet in person employers in their industry, get a chance to network. They get a chance to utilize the resumes that we help them to format just for them, tailored toward that particular employer or industry. And so we're excited about the fact that now they get a chance to show their best selves to the people that they've been trying to get in contact with probably for months now. And so this is an exciting time for us as a department. Now, we were fortunate enough to have over 15 companies here today to give access to our students like ATEC, Texas Instruments, Allied Group, Quick Serve, Geophysical. This particular field is the 6th largest employer amongst industries in the U.S. Texas ranks 2nd among states with the most manufacturing jobs. So this is a field that we definitely want to direct our students into. We know they have the right acumen for it, the tools that our instructors are providing for them, and our job in career services is to make sure they can show their best selves, and we want to do the best we can in order for them to have the best opportunity they can get in this particular field. So we thank them for being on campus, and we thank our employers for partnering with us.
Valoric, we are a world leader in tubular solutions. What we do is we manufacture tubular goods, mainly for oil and gas and energy markets. However, our expertise does extend over into other industries such as architectural, automotive. We have several sites here within the North America region. This was a great event. We had a great turnout. We were able to meet with students to advertise for many of our positions, and that's going to include anywhere from a forklift operator all the way down to a CNC machinist. We actually, before COVID hit, we had a tour of this wonderful facility, and we were able to bring in some of our leadership team, and we were able to see a lot of what you actually do here. So what we like to do is partner with schools such as HCC so that we can identify students and then see how we can bridge and sustain that partnership.
So QuickServe is a 30-year-old manufacturing company, 2nd generation, recently partnered with a private equity group. So we still have the look and feel and the culture of a family-run business, plus the resources of a private equity group. We are really interested in training and developing the next generation of manufacturing employees. And so we think it's really important to get them while they're still finishing their education, and we want to provide them with the practical skills that they'll need to succeed.
I became the first dean of Houston Community College Center of Excellence for Advanced Manufacturing after several years as a manufacturing leader in private industry. Coming into the role as dean, I was aware of what industry is looking for from its employees and the training that was necessary for future employers coming through the HCC pipeline. Today's event marked what the HCC programs are doing to bring our students into industry as contributing employees and future leaders of industry. Couldn't be more proud of what HCC has put together, what the students are doing, and then the collaboration with private industries across the great city of Houston.
In order to get more information, go to our website at hccs.edu. Every possible program you could be interested in, you'll find there, but most importantly, we are highlighting our Smart Manufacturing program on this particular day.